welcome to my channel. I'm Leah
and I'm doing a tutorial on this look. It's the Purge look, one in the mask, but I did it in makeup and you probably seen this everywhere, but I thought I'd just show you guys like how I did it. I don't have white eyeliner, like liquid liner, so it's kind of like not to its fullest potential, but if you had liquid white eyeliner it would be so much better probably. I used this Halloween thingy and it's not that good. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoy this. I didn't have any like special Halloween like products like face paint, like the Mayron like Halloween palette thingy. I don't have any costume makeup, that's what I'm saying. So you can definitely do this and it's like super easy, so yeah, enjoy. Hey, so my dumbass forgot to press record, but I'm using this Ruby Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty today, and I'm gonna take this shade and all I did was put it in my crease and start spreading it around and blending it and stuff. So, you know, whatever. You'll be fine. Just start blending it in the crease. That's all I did. And yeah. Now I'm taking this shade and it has a little shimmer in it. I didn't even realize that until now. But anyways, it's fine. It turned out good. I'm just using this pointed blending brush and just putting it on the outer V and kind of up into the crease a little bit. Now I'm going to cut the crease and I'm using the e.l.f. concealer. I forgot what it's called, but it's the e.l.f. concealer, the really good one that everyone talks about. And I'm just going to cut my crease. And if you don't know how to cut your crease, this is how you do it. It generally works better with a concealer brush that's like flat, just so you know. And I'm going to set the concealer with this light baby pink shade from the same palette. And patting motions work best for this step. And now I'm going to take that same red shade that has a little shimmer in it and just deepen the cut crease. And also kind of run it along the outer portion of my lash line to create kind of like a wing liner effect with your eyeshadow a little bit, you know. Now for the face, I'm taking that same e.l.f. concealer that I used to cut my crease, and I didn't feel like wearing foundation, so I'm just going to put this concealer all over my face, which is probably like the same concept, but I'm also taking a darker shade and putting it where I would put bronzer and stuff. And this brush is from Morphe and I'm using it to buff out all of the concealer. I'm doing the light concealer first and then I'm doing the dark concealer, and it did come out a little too dark, but not to worry because I'm going to lighten that up by putting more concealer, and then it's all good. And then you just blend that in and it's fine. And since the bronzer color got everywhere, I'm gonna cut my cheekbone area and like clean it up with more light concealer. This one is by NARS. I don't know why I used that one and not the e.l.f. Pretty sure I used it because it was less full coverage than the e.l.f. one, and I already had a bunch of the e.l.f. one and it's really full coverage. But next I'm going to set my face with this Makeup Forever powder, except I'm going to only do where the bronzer is, kind of mostly, and then with some Fenty Beauty Profilt'r powder, the butter shade, I'm gonna set my under eyes and everywhere where the highlights are, like my nose, under eyes, and my forehead and whatever. And then I'm gonna just set my bronzer kind of and put it, deepen it, I don't know. This step is not necessary, but you know, cause yeah, okay. And right here I just tried to like shape my nose a little bit, but I really don't know how, so just don't even listen to me. But I'm gonna put this shade on my under eye using the same tapered blending brush. And yeah, just do it all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. And then I'm gonna try to do these marks that I keep seeing not everybody doing. And I just put concealer on this flat brush, and yeah, it works. And I kind of went a little overboard, but I liked it. It looks cute, kind of. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if this is ugly. Alright, now I'm showing you the lashes I plan to put on, but just keep that in mind for later. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm just doing a regular wing, and here's how I do it. I don't know if anybody is interested in how I do my liner, but I just felt like I would include it anyway. And then I'm gonna start like, what is this called? Tight lining my upper waterline? I don't know what it's called, but I'm putting eyeliner there, and it's just regular black eyeliner, and then I'm gonna put white eyeliner on my bottom lash line just to like brighten it up a little bit. Now I'm taking this Fenty, Kat Von D blush. I don't think they sell it anymore, but I'm putting this blush on because it's really pink and vibrant. So just use whatever blush you want, preferably a very pigmented one. And I'm also putting on my nose just cause. And I'm taking my favorite Dior highlight. They don't sell this anymore either, but I'm just putting it because it's my favorite. And I'm just putting it on my cheekbones. I should have put it on my nose, but I didn't. I forgot. And yeah. And this was the moment where I realized my lash glue probably dried already. And then this is the moment where I realized that the lashes didn't even match because I just had them out of the box and I had a bunch of lashes and they didn't even match. So keep your lashes in your box. So I'm getting another lash and then I'm letting that dry a little bit. I'm putting this lipstick on in the meanwhile. And this one is a Milani shade in love, liquid lipstick shade in love. I don't know. Yeah. And then back to my lashes. I almost let them dry again. And then, yeah, so it was just a real journey with the lashes. I don't know. Keep the lashes in the box, you guys, so that they match and you know that they match. Now I'm moving on to the fun Halloween part. And I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo pencil in milk just to like sketch out, you know, the drawing. And always use a reference picture. So yeah, this look is pretty easy. I'm just basically following what the mask looks like, and it's nothing like crazy. So here's just me copying the picture, I guess. So here's where I like kind of fucked up. I tried to put a line close to like the inner part of my lips to make the line look like it's going all the way through the mouth and stuff. But yeah, I tried to erase it using a similar looking lipstick. So just like don't do that part if you're not confident. Like I wasn't confident, but anyways, for the fun part, I'm taking those two shades and I'm gonna just go directly above the line, the white lines that I made. And if it's messy, don't even like worry, like, you know, it's not supposed to be perfect because it looks like a light, like, you know. Now for this part, I'm using Halloween makeup from Target. It was like only $3, so that's why it sucks. If you have white liquid eyeliner, this would work so much better and it would be way better than mine. But this is what I had, so I'm working with this. And they didn't have white eyeliner at NYX or like anything, so yeah. I'm just going over the red part though, obviously, just to make it look like a light bulb, and going over it again to make it more white. Obviously, if you had white liquid eyeliner, it would be like way easier and you wouldn't have to go over it several times. But yeah, so I just used this strategy all throughout my face. It's kind of boring to watch the rest of it because I just did everything the same way. So just continue this pattern all throughout your face and you'll have this look in no time. And so this is a good last minute Halloween costume. You can just take a white button up or even like a flannel maybe, and fishnet stockings, or just like sheer black stockings and like some black booties, and then just carry like a bat around, and this would be like a good Halloween costume and you'll look super cute. And I think you guys get the point now on this strategy, so I'm just gonna skip to the finished look. That's it for my tutorial. I hope you liked it. Subscribe and like if you want to. It would help my channel out a lot. And follow me on Instagram at nalina.jade. And my TikTok is at nalina.jade for my Polynesian TikTok. And my beauty TikTok is at nalina.jade.beauty. So yeah, have a nice day and be safe on Halloween. Whatever you're doing, wear a mask. I don't know, whatever. People are gonna do what they want to do, but at least just wear a mask. Okay, bye.